Lightweight tent trailers are a great option for bush travellers on a budget, but sometimes it's nice to roll into camp with something light and easy and hit the sack with solid walls on all sides. One of the latest options in the box camper market is the Golf X265 from Victorian manufacturer Avan, which apart from sporty styling delivers plenty of camping friendly features and off-road equipment for the money. Built with solid composite walls like all Avan caravans, the X265 is light and compact enough to squeeze down most bushy tracks. It can handle some rugged terrain thanks to its off-road swivel coupling, independent core suspension, all-terrain tyres, and stone guard and checker plate protection. Cooking is outside in a long slide-out kitchen which features a sink and 12-volt powered tap, 2-burner gas cooker and a 30-litre compressor fridge. A 9kg gas bottle and jerry can holder is located up front near the 2 toolboxes, one containing a slide out for a generator and the other for general purpose storage. The X265 also comes standard with a gas bayonet, mains power and water inlets, and an external shower drawing from a 60-litre water tank, along with 2 external work lights and corner stabilisers. Entry is via the large lift-up rear door, with a big step up into a compact interior space which includes a good-sized core spring double mattress and a few good storage options, including a large space under the bed with a pull-out drawer for clothes. It's pretty cosy inside, but not as cosy as some of its rivals, with enough floor space and headroom to sit up, move around and get changed without too much head banging. There's also plenty of natural light and ventilation, thanks to caravan style side windows, along with a roof hatch and 12-volt fans for an extra breeze. Switches for the lights, as well as water and solar monitors, are located near a side table, not far from a few power sockets, with a 100 amp hour battery and charger located under the bed, fed by 2 80-watt solar panels on the roof. At around $30,000, the Golf X265 isn't the cheapest teardrop style camper on the market, but it's loaded with enough features to make it appealing to off-road adventurers as well as minimalist campers. The fact that you can tow it with almost any vehicle is icing on the cake.